Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to achieve high-end flooring without breaking the bank. Whether you're renovating or starting from scratch, there are plenty of ways to save money while getting the style and quality that you want. Let's go over some smart strategies to make this happen. From design preferences to room size, there are several factors to consider when choosing high-end flooring on a budget. We'll walk through practical options to help you achieve the look you want without overspending. One of the best ways to save on flooring costs is by choosing a high-end material but at a lower price point. For example, while solid hardwood is considered premium, it can be expensive. Instead, you can opt for engineered wood or laminate flooring. These options mimic the appearance of real wood but come at a fraction of the price. Engineered wood has a real wood layer on top but uses a plywood core, making it more affordable than traditional hardwood. Plus, it's more resistant to moisture and temperature changes, which can make it a better long-term option for certain rooms. Luxury vinyl tile (LVT) is another great alternative. It's durable, water resistant, and comes in a variety of finishes that look like hardwood or stone. With today's advances in manufacturing, many vinyl planks are nearly indistinguishable from the real thing, giving you the high-end look without the high-end price. Room size plays a significant role in budgeting for flooring. For small spaces like bedrooms, home offices and hallways, you can invest in higher end materials without spending too much. Since you'll need less square footage, you can invest in premium flooring for a more elegant feel. In smaller spaces, you'll also have fewer cuts, meaning less waste. This allows you to stretch your budget further for materials like tile, stone, or even hardwood in limited areas. For larger areas like living rooms or open plan spaces, the cost per square foot adds up quickly. This is where cost-effective materials like laminate or vinyl shine. With the right design choices, you can still get the high-end look across a large area without overspending. You can also elevate the look of your flooring by choosing a layout that adds a sense of luxury. Instead of installing a straight laminate, consider installing a herringbone laminate. These layouts make budget-friendly flooring look more high-end. For example, a herringbone pattern is often associated with high-end wood floors, but you can recreate the same effect using less expensive materials like laminate or vinyl. These patterns may require a bit more time and skill to install, but they give a custom, luxurious look to your space. Texture and finish plays a significant role in the overall feel of your flooring. If you want a high-end look, consider choosing matte and textured finishes. A glossy finish tends to show wear and tear quickly, while matte and textured finishes are better at hiding scratches, scuffs, and dirt. Luxury vinyl and laminate flooring come in a wide range of finishes, some even replicating the feel of natural wood grain or stone. By choosing a textured or hand-scraped finish, you can enhance the authentic look of your floors without paying for the actual high-end materials. Another great way to stay on budget is by taking advantage of deals and discounts. We offer deals on our products, so check out our website for more information. We also offer volume discounts, which you can reach out to our team for more info. One of the biggest ways to save on flooring costs is to handle the installation yourself. If you're comfortable with DIY projects, certain floors like click-lock vinyl and laminate are designed for easy installation and you don't require any special tools. This will save you a significant amount in labour costs. However, for more complex materials like tile or hardwood, or for custom patterns like herringbone, professional installation may be worth the investment. Mistakes during installation can cost more in the long run, so weigh your options carefully. Sometimes a professional installation can still save you money by ensuring the job is done right the first time. Finally, keep in mind that durability and maintenance are important considerations when choosing your flooring. While you may save up front by choosing a cheaper material, if it wears out quickly or requires constant maintenance, then it might cost you more in the long run. Vinyl and laminate, for instance, are both durable and easy to maintain, making them excellent choices for budget-conscious homeowners who still want a high-end look. Be sure to factor in the long-term cost of upkeep and replacement when planning your flooring project. At Flooring Surgeons, we're committed to help you find solutions that meet your budget without compromising on quality or style. Visit our showroom or our website for the latest deals and expert advice. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips from us on how to get the best flooring for your home. Whether you're renovating or building from freaking now. Let's go over some straw. I forgot what I was gonna say. For smaller spaces, a high-end look but at a lower price point. For instance, you can also elevate the look of your flooring. By choosing a layout that adds a sense of luxury. I literally had it.
It's just ever so slightly.
Yeah.
Texture and finish plays an over. Okay, hold on. Texture and finish plays an overall. No. Another great way to take advantage. That's not right. At flooring, you find flooring solutions that meet your budget.